Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I am going to introduce you to Beauty Big Bang's brand new stamping plates. These will go more towards, I'm going to say, after there is some Valentine's theme in here, possibly spring and then summer, because we have some flowers and geometrics. So these are the X from the XL collection. These 7 are sold together or individually. I will have the link down in the description bar below. They go from XL040 to XL046, okay? So I'm going to give you a close-up look of these. And there is a reason why I've taken the time to show you these 7 as a group, okay? So yes, pay attention to that and stay tuned. Now I am going to do the swatches on these on just some paper with some black stamping polish. I will pick a few images from each plate to keep this because there is 7 of them. So, but I do want to show you these plates so you can see how gorgeous they are, the great images that are in here, and we'll do some swatches so you can see. I mean, we know Beauty Big Bang, they're very good quality stamping plates. They've never disappointed me. Anyway, so yes, let me go ahead and remove these from the packaging so you can get a good look at them, and then I will move on to the swatches. I hope you guys enjoy. Here they all are after I've cleaned them up. Oh, absolutely gorgeous images, guys. I mean, I'm loving these flowers here. And yes, I do want to test this to create a gradient and go right on my nails and see how that goes. That will be probably the very next video that I will have coming up. And look at these flowers. To see, like I said, you have some they get these flowers and put it right on top of that pattern for a backdrop. So yeah, spring, summer, some geometrics are good just about any time of year, and these are even good right now. I mean, you know, with the You have some plaid in here, and I am excited about this Valentine. Super cute. Look at those. I really love those. So yeah, absolutely very good quality stamping plates. Now if I show you, see, this is how they have the protective backing on the back. So if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I'll have the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Beauty BigBang for sending me these gorgeous plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.